It's a 2017 Honda Civic sedan. The energetic Civic makes the destination less important than the journey. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, remote engine start, front heated bucket seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Consumer Reports explains the Civic's ride is unusually refined for a compact car. The suspension keeps the car steady and composed over all but the nastiest bumps. Braking is responsive and confident during panic stops. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.